Hi everybody, this is your trainer Marcelo, and today I will show you a quick routine that will help you lose weight and tone muscles. Exercise 1 is going to be push-ups, regular push-ups, 10 counts, okay? One of the most common, actually I will show you 3 most common mistakes doing push-ups. The first one is people put their hands too wide apart or right above shoulders. The right position should be shoulder width apart, elbows close to your body. Don't open your elbows as you get low with your chest, okay? For instance, most common mistake, opening elbows or putting your hands too far away from shoulders. Hands should be in one line with shoulders, elbows close to your body. Chest, you lower your chest until it's almost touching to the ground and back to starting point. Most common mistake, the second one, is arching back. As you go up, most people do this. Or sometimes people do this. Keep your body in one straight line from head to heel. Another thing is don't lead with your neck or with your head. Avoid doing this. Keep your neck, back, hip in one straight line. Down, chest barely touch to the ground, and back to starting point. Option for this one, from knees. Exercise number 2 is going to be squat. You are going to do 20 repetitions. Squat, spread your feet shoulder width. I will do it sideways so you can see me better. One of the most common mistakes is when, as you squat down, most people push knees forward, passing toes. Avoid doing this. If you are lifting your heels, you are pushing forward. Instead, sit back. Pretend that you have a chair behind you and you are going to have a seat in that chair. Knees always behind your toes and make sure that your body weight is on heels. You get down until your thighs are parallel to the ground and back to starting point. Option for this one, if you had knee injuries, don't get too low, only get halfway down. Okay? Exercise number 3 is going to be for the entire core area, abdominals. We are going to do bicycles, 30 repetitions. It's going to be 15 repetitions each side for a total of 30. From this one, you are going to place your hands, better yet your fingertips behind your ears. Pretend that you're riding a bicycle. Every time your knees come toward your chest, you are going to combine one elbow with the opposite knee. Option for this one, heels on the ground, do it this way. Exercise number 4 is going to be mountain climbers. You're going to do 40 repetitions total, 20 each side. For mountain climbers, make sure that your hands are placed right below shoulders. Avoid doing this. Okay? So right below shoulders, from here, back straight. You're going to bring one knee toward your stomach and alternate knees. Okay? Make sure that your toes are always touching the ground. And exercise number 5 is going to be jumping jacks. You're going to do 50 count. Jumping jacks, from standing tall position, jump up, clap overhead, and at the same time spread your feet shoulder width and back to starting point. Option for this one, side to side tap without jumping. Now complete the entire routine 3 to 5 times for best result. Now if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe, and for a detailed description, please look at the description box below. Thank you for watching and have a healthy day.